Hey everyone, my name is Frenchie. I'm coming to you today from Orlando Harley-Davidson Historic Factory in Orlando, Florida, and I'm here to talk about this bike. What we have here is a brand new 2022 Streetlight Special, and obviously you can see a couple of the differences that we've done to this. We haven't changed a whole lot of this bike, but we've kind of just added that extra bit of flair to it. So as you can see, the standout options that we have on this bike, we've got a front and rear matched Irlo Y-spoke wheel in anodized blue. Got 21-inch in the front and 18-inch in the rear, and then we've complemented that with the same color-matched high-flow air intake and Irlo knurled grips. At the same time, we've gone a little bit higher up on the handlebars. We've done a 12-inch rise Factory 47 Assaults, and we've done Reinhardt slip-ons on the back just to give it that little bit of extra oomph and that nice traditional sort of Harley sound. One of the things we wanted to focus on was actually getting you the matched front and rear wheels, because a lot of times guys will come in and they'll change the front rim with us and they'll never do anything about the back. So we've already taken that out of the equation for you and given you that color matched and style matched front and rear wheels. Like I said, guys, my name is Frenchie. I'm over here in the parts department at Orlando Harley-Davidson Historic Factory. If you need anything for your bike, please come and see us. We'll help you out, get you looking like this.